Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do a screen replacement on an HP Pavilion laptop. Let me show you the model number. If you turn it around, take a look at the back of your laptop. If you have the same model as I do, HP model 15 dyl1087nr, then you can follow along with the video and do a screen replacement. This is a non-touch screen. As you can see that I do have a cracked screen on my LCD, so I'll be replacing the screen. The first thing first you need to have is to get yourself a metal prying tool or maybe a plastic prying tool, whichever that you have, in order to pry the bezel. So the bezel here, it is actually there is a double-sided adhesive tape that is taping down the bezel, so you may have to put a little bit of a pressure while you're prying it open. And just work your way around it. You can see that this is the that double-sided tape that is still taping down the bezel. Okay, so once you have that removed, the bezel, let's put the bezel on the side. Now take a look at your LCD screen. The LCD screen doesn't have any screw that screw onto the LCD. So what it does is it was held down by this double-sided tape. If you take a very closer look here, underneath there's this little gooey rubber, so you need to get that rubber out. Okay, that is the rubber that I'm talking about. This is the one that is holding down the LCD screen. Okay, once you have pulled that rubber out, now you're going to work on the other side of it. So there's another one here on this side. oops, it snapped. Let's see. See if I can pull it off from the top. Try not to break that rubber because the tape, because it may get very difficult to pry it open. I still see some little tape. I might have a chance. Okay. Take your time while you're pulling this thing. Alright, so once you have pulled at both sides, then the LCD screen is no longer held down by the rubber. The LCD should just come right off. So lift it up. This is where the cable is being connected. So you need to pry open that tape. The second tape right here. And gently slide the cable away from your body. So slide it to that direction. We're going to tape that cable down. We have to reuse it, and we just remove the LCD screen. Now, if you're not sure where to buy the screen from, please go ahead and check the link down description below. I'll list it down where you can get it from either Amazon or eBay. Take a look at the serial number here. It says N156 BGA-EB3 REVC1. So this is the exact same model of the screen you're going to buy and do the replacement. I do not have the new screen in stock. I'll be placing an order, but I'm going to show you how to install it. Assuming this is the new screen that just arrived. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to reconnect the cable. What you have to do is to slide that cable back into the connector. So slide it towards your body. You just have to be patient, take your time, make sure you align that cable in a position, slide it in, pull that little tape, tug it in so you can securely fasten that LCD. Now the next step you definitely need to have is the double-sided tape. So this is a 5mm, meaning the thickness of it. You can go 10mm if you want. I ran out the 10mm. This is my 10mm. It's double the size of this. So I ran out of the tape, but I'll show it to you. What you want to do is you want to pull this double-sided tape. I would tape it down on both sides. You know what? I don't think I have enough. So what I'm going to do is you need to tape it down on both sides to re-tape the LCD screen. Okay, so I'm just going to give you examples of this. You can do it on your own. There's no right or wrong ways to do it. What you can do is you can re-tape it straight line and how it was. You remember the bottom, there was a little black thing that was at the bottom here that we were able to pull it. So you might want to leave right about this much extra sticking out the LCD screen, so the next person who do the repair, they know where to pull the tape from. You can tape it from the bottom all the way to the top here, or you can just cut it, tape it about this much at the bottom and this much at the top. I don't feel like you need to tape the whole thing. As long as you have two on both sides, then I think it should be fine. Okay, so once you pull that double-sided tape off, and now you can easily tape that screen. I'm not doing it exactly because mine is a broken screen. I'm waiting for the new screen to arrive. I just want to demonstrate it for you and you just have to tip it back in just like that. Okay, once you have tipped it on both sides, then the next step is to put the bezel back in. Remember, I was telling you that the bezel has this double-sided tape when we're pulling it off. What you can do is you can reuse that double-sided tape. I still feel like it is very sticky, and therefore you can reuse it again. All you have to do is to align the bezel back underneath this silver cover and start pressing it down. Simple as that. All right. I hope this video is helpful. I know that I did not do the whole full process for you, but at least I give you an idea on how to do a screen replacement. But if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. Ask me any computer question and I'll try to answer you that way. Alright, if you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I do feel like really appreciate if you can like the video if this helps you. Alright, so let me know if this is helpful to you and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye now.